Next, 8.17 explain the term inductive and electromagnetic effect. Which electron displacement effect? Explain the following correct orders of acidity of the carboxylic acid. A. Cl3CCOOH, Cl2CHCOOH, ClCH2COOH. So here, inductive effect means the electron withdrawing groups minus I, electron substituting groups plus I. So generally the acidic nature, the acidic strength, proportional to minus I, inversely proportional to plus I. If minus I effect is increases, acidic strength is increases. If plus I effect is increases, acidic strength is decreases. So it is the formula acidic strength proportional to minus I, inversely proportional to plus I. Here chlorine is the minus I effect. Chlorine is the minus I effect. It has 3 chlorine atoms. Here only 2 chlorine atoms. Here only 1 chlorine atom. That's why it is the high acidic nature of carboxylic acid. It is medium, it is low. So because it contains only 1 chlorine, so minus I effect is becomes only 1 chlorine. Here 2, here 3. So it is the major acidic nature. Next another one. Here CH3 is the plus I group. So CH3 is the plus I effect. Chlorine is the minus I effect. So here chlorine is CH3 is 1, only 1 alkyl group. Here 2, here 3. If number of alkyl groups increases, plus I effect is increases. So acidic strength is decreases. Here 3 alkyl groups, so it has lowest acidic nature. It has only 1 alkyl group, so it has high acidic nature. So comparatively, propanonic acid and CH3 twice isopropionic acid, and similarly tertiary propionic acid. So these are, it is the highest, second one, third one. So it is the reason for the A and B. Thank you.